Okay, today I'm at Home Depot taking a look at some perennials, and I've heard that some of their shrubs are on sale, maybe 50% off, so we're going to take a look and see what we can find. This store always has a really nice selection of perennials, especially the proven winners. They're all these real big containers. This whole table's full. Okay, I found these cookies and cream hibiscus. These are really pretty, 42 to 48 inches. I really like the dark foliage on that. And then here's a Nepeta. I've not seen this one. Catwalk Queen, 10 to 12 inches. I wonder if that's smaller than the one I have at home. I think I have the cat's pajamas. And this is the Rock and Glow Coral Jade Sedum. It's 16 to 18 inches. That's really pretty. I haven't seen this one before. In person, at least. All right, here's some Serendipity Allium. Here's the tag on those, 15 to 20 inches. All right, they've got 3 different kinds of phlox here. Here's the flower. This is the Cloudburst, 28 inches. This one says Sunset Coral. That says 30 to 32 inches. It doesn't look very coral to me though. It's very pink. And then here's the flower on this one. This one is called Luminary Pink Lightning. All very beautiful. I mean, 3 different kinds. And then here's the Summerific Candy Crush. There's no flowers on these. This is $29.98, but that's what the flower looks like. This store has their Proven Winter Clematis for $19.98 on sale. What I see is the Sweet Summer Love up there. And then down here, the Ringo All-Star and the Oh So Easy Lemon Zest. These are 50% off. That's pretty good. Look at all these succulent bowls they have here. Wow, those are beautiful. Let's see, do we have a price on these? And $24.99 or $24.98. Here's some more. They have these really nice looking aloe vera, they look really thick leaves. Those are $19.98. Look at this. This is like a wall hanger for $29.98. It's got like a hanger on the back. That's really cute. To hang on your fence or anywhere really. Look at this one. Look at that bloom. That is so interesting. There's a random tomato. And then up here they have hanging baskets, like succulent baskets, which are really pretty. Here's the sale today, 50% off original retail of the flowering and fruit trees, shrubs, and roses. I don't know if you can see that, but they've got their sprinkler going, so I'm not going to be able to look at some of the stuff in here because of the sprinkler, but that's okay. At least they're watering their plants, you know? All right, and this sign says all the Endless Summer Hydrangeas are $14.99. You see the Pop Star variety. Let's go take a look at these. These are really cool. Some of these are a little crispy, but that's okay. This one is Bloomstruck, Reblooming Hydrangea. I don't know much about these, but I need to go looking around a little bit on the internet, but that's a really pretty color and bloom for hydrangea. This might be a good like centerpiece plant, like a specimen rather than, you know, like a hedge. They seem kind of like smaller sized. And for some evergreen interest, the yews here are on sale 50% off. So normally $12.98, so it'd be like $6.50. This is just a generic, you know, smaller yew, but they get pretty big. But that's a good price if you needed a bunch of them. Their boxwood are 20% off, so that's only $31.98. Looks like these are a bunch of winter gems. There's the tag on those. Actually, that a bloom on there? I'm not sure I've ever actually seen a boxwood bloom like that. I'm assuming that's what that is. I'm assuming these Japanese maples are on sale. It's hard to read the sign. It's kind of like washed out. But they are $89.98, so if they are on sale, it'd be $45. So these are 5-gallon Twombly's red. They're in pretty good shape. Here are some of the Proven Winners Arctic Fire Yellow dogwood. It says $29.98 on the tag, so I'm assuming these are half off. So for $15, that'd be a really great deal. So they have all these emerald green arborvitaes. I've got one in my cart here. These are a little tiny right now, but they do get 12 to 15 feet tall. And they're $10.98, so I would assume these would be on sale for $5.50, which is an amazing deal. Now, granted, they are small. You know, it's a small container. So I'm going to keep this in mind. This might be a good option for me for next to my trellis in the back. It's a really good price, and oops, that one just fell over. It's a really good price, and these are starting small, so I don't have to worry about them getting too big. It wouldn't be too much of an investment to try something out in that space. I also have all these Eugenia Topiaries here, which, oh my gosh, these take so long to probably grow. Here's all the prices. And it's just a bummer that nobody's buying these because they just take forever to grow to this size, and they're not hardy here. So you'd really have to take them inside in the winter, you know. So hopefully someone comes by and grabs these. They've got the cones, they've got the 3-ball topiary, the spirals. These are really cool. This was like not the right time to come. They have sprinklers everywhere in here. Okay, so I think we're gonna just call it here, and I'll come back another day and do all the, you know, the flowering annuals and other perennials that they have inside. I want to thank you guys for watching. There was lots of great stuff here at the Home Depot Garden Center, a lot of stuff on sale, especially if you're looking for shrubs and trees and things like that. So if you have a Home Depot nearby, go take a look and see what you can find. If you could take a moment to subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.